Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to 31 days of unboxings. One unboxing per day for 31 days. Guys, it's almost the end. I can't not wait to finish August. This was the worst month of the year. No, it was not. It was really cool to do this challenge, and yeah, I'm really enjoying it. Yeah, now I have 2 channels, and it's a lot of work. But if I'm still here, it's because I received so much support from you guys. So, merci beaucoup du fond du cœur, from inside my heart to you. Thank you so much. Guys, today we will have some Lady Dior, and it's gonna be the last Lady Dior, and yeah, it's the last one. Let me show you the last baby of August, and after this one, I think I don't have any more Dior's to show you guys, even in September, November, blah blah blah. And I think I will calm down a little bit with Dior, because even if I really love my Dior's, my Lady Dior's, I don't wear them. And voila. But when I saw this beauty, I couldn't not resist. And when I will tell you how much I paid for this, you will understand why I got it. So guys, let me introduce to you, let me introduce you to the bag. My mini Lady Dior with the Swarovski crystals, the perspex or plexiglass handle, I don't know how to say that, and it's a I don't know how to say the fabric, Satan fabric, sorry. And yes, so I will link here. I unboxed the same one but in gray, the beginning of the challenge, and then I unboxed the XXL2 in lambskin beige color, and I unboxed a large Lady Dior in suede black color, and we will finish with the mini Lady Dior in Satan and champagne beige color. Inside you have a beautiful beige shiny lining. You have this little flap, and the beauty is beautiful. As you can see, she is, no, she's not. I thought, but she's not. Okay, I think the light is better today, because when I did, I think, the French video, I didn't see that. I don't know if I will be able to show you, but the corners are a little bit, can you just, okay, I don't know, stop. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it. The corners are a little bit used. I didn't sew that because you have, really to see in, like, really check the corners. Okay, I think you can see it here, here. And this is why I really love this material, but it's really delicate, and when the corners start, to leave this earth, this planet, it's like, okay, I think there's a stain here. You cannot repair. And now, okay, the light is really hard, it's really strong, so now I'm seeing things I didn't saw before. Okay, So here, I didn't see that before, but it's really like you have to catch the light, but you have a little like stain. I don't know if it's a stain, but I think it's a stain, or if it's the sided, like the material that it's, you know, too old, but I think it's a little stain. You don't really see it like this. You have really, you know, to check all the details. This is a bag, even if we have some flaws. I bought it on eBay and I got it for $350. So it's not like I didn't have to sell an organ to buy this one, and even if she has some flaws, I still love it. And oh, okay, it's a little bit blocked. I mean, I love it and I will use it. And I mean, it's just like $350, so you know, like it's not a big deal for the corners, etc. And I think if, I don't know, if I put a big stain on it or something happen, I think you can still like paint the bag in like black or something. I wish I will not have to do it because I already have 2 mini Lady Diors in black, and one it's exactly this one. So I don't want to have a third mini Lady Dior in black. But seriously, for, you know, her age, because these bags are very, very old. I don't have the year, but I know they are old, maybe beginning of 2000 something. So for, you know, the material, I think she's in a really, really good shape. Now I have revealed all my Lady Dior's, etc. The next step will do like not a reveal, but review. A review of my Lady Dior's, and yeah, I really want to wear them and buy some, you know, like chains on like really cheap stuff, you know, just a little chain to be able to wear it crossbody. And yeah, I think they are really cool, even if they have this princess handbag vibe. I think you can use it, you know, just to go out and buy some baguettes, and voila. And I think it's what I'm going to do. Guys, let me know what you think about my last tea. Ooh la la la, I need to rest. My last Lady Dior. If you like it, if you don't, if you prefer the gray one, or if you don't like none of them. And yeah, so this is it for today's video. It's gonna be the last video for today. I think I filmed for 5 hours and now I will have to edit. Look at my psycho smile, like and voilà. So que Dieu m'aide to finish August. Guys, let me know what you think about it, and if you don't follow me yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the last video. I don't want to spoil, I don't want to promise something I will not be able to do, but normally the two last unboxings, they will be very, very, very special, and we will have an Hermes bag. So if you are here at 11 minutes, you know we will have some Hermes. I didn't say before. So voilà. Stay with me. Guys, je vous embrasse. Merci beaucoup et je vous dis à demain. Bye.